was this: if capital A is an n by n matrix, prove that determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of A raised to the power n minus 1. So we shall prove this. One important thing is A is n by n matrix. So depending on that n by n, we got det A power n minus 1. In case if it is a 3 by 3 matrix, then determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of A whole square. So what is adjoint of a matrix? It is nothing but replacing every element with its cofactors and then take the transpose, right? So again you take the transpose, we get the matrix which is obtained by replacing every element with the cofactors. Okay, I'll go slowly here. See, now we have a matrix A. Okay, we already seen this earlier, right? And now I'll be getting a new matrix B, which is nothing but replacing every element of A by its cofactors. Okay, and if I take B transpose, this is nothing but adjoint of A, right? Now they are saying that if you found out det A, and if you take cube, in case if it is 3 by 3 matrix, right, then adjoint A determinant will be det A whole square. So what does it mean? It means that if you are trying to take substitute every element of a matrix with its cofactors, right, and you get a new matrix, and if you try to find out the determinant, that will be equal to this. You need not just write adjacent A here, adjoint A here. Even in place of adjoint A, if you take the transpose, this value doesn't change, right, which is nothing but B. Okay, so let's prove this. Now we already know this. If I take a matrix and if I multiply with the adjoint of the same matrix, then the result is going to be det A multiplied with identity matrix In. In means n by n identity matrix, where A is n by n square matrix. Okay, now apply det on both sides. I am applying det on both sides. Okay, now we already know that by scalar multiplication we know this. See this? If there is a scalar k, and if I multiply a matrix B, and if I want to find out the determinant of this, it is nothing but k power n into det P, right? So we have shown this already earlier. I have shown this proof in the properties of determinant. This is already shown. So which means multiplying a matrix by a constant and then finding out the determinant is equal to multiplying the determinant of the matrix by that constant power n. How? Why n? Because n is the order of B. B is an n by n matrix, right? I have already shown you the proof. Now let's see this. Here In is a matrix which is multiplied by a constant det A. Det A is nothing but a constant, isn't it? Determinant of a matrix is nothing but a constant value. Now it is again scalar multiplication. So what can we do? I am just rewriting it like this. Here there are two matrices to which determinant is applied. Now we know that we can apply the determinant like this: det A into det adjoint A. And now there is a constant which is multiplying a matrix, and here the size of the matrix is n by n. Therefore we know this. We can pull out the constant and we can write it as if it is n, constant power n into determinant of In, right? And now we know that determinant of In is 1, therefore I am multiplying it with 1. Now we can cancel it out, det A and here n minus 1. That implies determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of A power n minus 1. Got it? It is very important proof asked in GATE.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.